Hi friends, today I will show you how to create a basic transition in After Effects. Let's do. First open After Effects, width 1280, height 720. Composition name, copy this, paste here. Okay. Control N, Control Y for new solid, paste the name, change the color. Whichever color you want, that color you keep. Okay. Make composition size. Okay. Now press yes. For scale, keyframe, turn off this one. Scale up to 0. Type 0. Move little frames. Now keep 100. You can do like this also, or you can do like this also. You can type or you can select for Control A. Control A for selection. Right click. Easy is shortcut is F9. Go open your graph editor. Select full. Full like this. Now off the graph editor. Now see, we have created a basic transition effect in After Effects. Now we will duplicate this one. Zoom in. You can use plus or minus for zoom in, zoom out. U for see the key properties. Change the color. Shift Y for change the color. Change color. Any color you want, you can change. Make composition size. Shift Y. Change the color. Press U for key positions, key properties. Make it here. Keep this here. Keep this here. This here. Now play. 0 for play. Play. Press U. Control Shift Y for change the color. Change any color you want. Make composition size new. Press U. Move these keyframes. Now see, like this you can create your own transition effects in. Like this, you can create your own transitions in After Effects CC 2019. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See the transition pack. One with media player. If you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.